Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Monstera Seeds is probably one of the most sought after and rewarding plants for any home gardener, offering a unique opportunity to cultivate your very own iconic Swiss cheese plant from its very beginnings, which is why today we're diving deep into what makes these tiny powerhouses so special and how you can successfully sprout your own lush Monstera. Number 5. TickleMe Plant Seeds Indoor Planting. Start your exciting journey by growing your very own touch-sensitive plant. These seeds are perfect for creating smiles and adding fun to any indoor garden. Gently touch this unique plant and witness its leaves fold in response. It's a shy and sensitive plant that creates a surprising and delightful reaction. Looking for a fun, interactive gift? This plant closes its leaves and lowers its branches when tickled or even kissed. It's an amazing experience for kids and adults alike. Our fresh seeds are guaranteed to grow, and the leaves reopen in minutes after closing. It's more than just planting, it's about creating moments of curiosity, laughter, and amazement. Enjoy a real, living plant that sparks curiosity and learning without screens or batteries. It's a wonderful, educational activity that brings nature's magic right into your home. The leaves respond to touch, offering a soothing and stress-relieving experience. It's a fantastic way to relieve anxiety and engage in a fun, hands-on activity for all ages. What we like? This plant offers a unique, hands-on experience that delights with its touch-sensitive leaves. If you're looking for an engaging activity for children or a conversation starter for adults, this is a fantastic choice. Its interactive nature makes it perfect for families, classrooms, or anyone who enjoys a bit of botanical magic. What people say. I followed instructions as written and had seeds sprouting 24 to 48 hours later. Around 80 to 85% germinated, so I would say that is pretty darn good. They can be used for medicinal purposes as well and are definitely interesting and fun to play with. Number 4. Victory Gardens Heirloom Vegetable Seed Variety Pack. Introducing our premium vegetable seed variety pack. You can grow 125 different types of heirloom, non-GMO vegetables, perfect for quick sprouting. Ensure your food security with these non-GMO heirloom survival seeds. They provide a reliable supply of fresh vegetables and fruits, even when the food chain is disrupted. With 20,000 open-pollinated seeds across 125 varieties, you can achieve food independence. Plant, harvest, save, and replant for year-after-year abundance. These seeds are selected for high germination rates and strong yields. They are proven to grow anywhere, in all USDA hardiness zones, ensuring fresh harvests in any climate. Enjoy nutritious crops throughout the year. This pack includes drought-tolerant beans and cold-hardy greens to keep your meals wholesome and balanced in every season. Our seeds are built for the long haul, stored in moisture-proof mylar bags within a rugged container. They maintain viability for up to 25 years, ensuring a lasting supply. What we like? This is an extensive collection of heirloom, non-GMO vegetable seeds designed for self-sufficiency. If you are preparing for the long term, want to ensure food security, or simply love having a vast array of vegetables to grow, this seed vault is an excellent investment. It's ideal for homesteaders, survivalists, or avid gardeners aiming for year-round harvests. What people say. These seeds are great and the germination rate is accurate. The packaging is on point, and really what you're paying for here. You get a Potic ammo can with a black foil press and seal bag, filled with 5 baggies that contain the smaller bags of seeds. The seeds look healthier and fuller than any Eve gotten from Home Depot. Number 3. Outsidepride Splash Select Rose Hypoestes Seeds. These plants are designed for dense growth, reaching a manageable height and spread. They are ideal for smaller gardens, containers, or as part of a beautiful mixed display, ensuring healthy development without overcrowding. These seeds are perfect for shaded areas, growing well as perennials in warmer climates or as annuals in cooler zones. They adapt beautifully to low-light conditions, making them a great choice for shaded gardens or indoor spaces. Known for their striking, colorful leaves with a unique rose polka dot pattern, these plants add a dynamic and eye-catching touch to any garden or home setting. These plants are incredibly versatile, growing well both indoors and outdoors. They are perfect for shaded garden beds, low-light indoor spaces, containers, and hanging baskets, adding vibrant appeal year-round. Planting is straightforward. Sow seeds in moist, well-drained soil and keep them consistently moist until germination. With a little care, you'll enjoy healthy, vibrant foliage throughout the season. What we like. This plant boasts striking, variegated foliage with a unique rose polka dot pattern, adding vibrant color to any space. If you have shaded areas in your garden or home that need a pop of color, this is the perfect solution. It's also great for containers and hanging baskets, making it ideal for small gardens or indoor decorators. What people say. I planted a small pinch of the seeds, really not a lot. I still have 99% of them left. And I hot what appears to be 100% germination rate. They sprouted pretty quickly and are now showing some color. These seeds produce the stunning Hypoestes philostachia, known for its vibrant, speckled leaves in shades of green, pink, and white. The germination process was straightforward, and the seeds sprouted quickly, showing good viability. They grow fast and every seed I've planted has come up, and they're so pretty. Number 2. Outsidepride Common Green Plantain Seeds. Introducing our green plantain seeds, perfect for creating dense, beautiful foliage in your garden. These self-seeding perennials regenerate each year with minimal effort, making them an excellent choice for wildflower gardens and pasture plantings. Enjoy small green flower spikes that bloom from spring through fall, attracting butterflies, bees, and other pollinators. Whether in a farm or home garden, they add visual interest while supporting beneficial insects. These plants thrive in USDA zones 3 to 9, tolerating full sun to partial shade and various soil types, including clay. They are known for their resilience and ability to withstand diverse environments, making them a great choice for any outdoor space. Historically valued for culinary and household uses, the leaves are edible both raw and cooked. They can also be used outdoors for skin discomfort or as nutritious forage for livestock, offering practical versatility. For best results, plant 2 to 5 seeds spaced 6 to 18 inches apart. They germinate at 68 degrees Fahrenheit, with an optional cold stratification for stubborn seeds. Once established, they require minimal upkeep, perfect for gardeners of all skill levels. What we like. This is a versatile, easy-to-grow herb known for its traditional culinary and household uses. If you're interested in edible landscaping, attracting pollinators, or adding a hardy, low-maintenance plant to your garden, this is a great option. It's suitable for various climates and soil types, making it a practical choice for homesteaders and gardeners alike. What people say. Arrived in good shape and on time. Haven't planted them yet, since they used to grow here. I know that they winter here very well, so we'll scatter them when the rainy season begins, and have faith that they will work just fine. Germinated. It's still growing, actually all the seeds I planted grew. Great product, highly recommend. Number 1. Outsidepride English Plantain Seeds. Introducing our resilient herb seeds, perfect for meadows, borders, and pathways. These self-seeding perennials regenerate each year, making them a low-effort choice for beautiful gardens and pastures. Enjoy beautiful blooms from spring through fall that attract butterflies, bees, and other pollinators. These plants add visual interest while supporting beneficial insects in any setting. These hardy plants thrive in USDA zones 4 to 8, tolerating full sun to partial shade and various soil types. They are known for withstanding diverse environments, making them a versatile choice for any outdoor space. Historically valued for culinary and household uses, the leaves are edible both raw and cooked. They can also be used for skin discomfort relief or as nutritious forage for livestock. Planting is simple with just a few seeds spaced apart in well-prepared soil. Once established, these plants require minimal upkeep, making them suitable for gardeners of all experience levels. Get started with 5,000 perennial seeds, perfect for culinary, farm, and household uses. These low-growing herbs are ideal for tropical and subtropical climates. What we like. This plant is a resilient, easy-to-grow perennial with edible leaves and attractive foliage that supports pollinators. If you're looking for a multi-purpose plant for your garden that offers both practical uses and ecological benefits, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for wildflower gardens, pastures, or any outdoor space where hardiness and low maintenance are desired. What people say. I think every seed sprouted. I've been using this herb in multiple medicinal and hygiene preparations, and I love it. These all sprouted. They arrived quickly and the customer service was great. My plantain plants are currently several inches tall and so pretty. In a few days, everything sprouted and my tortoises now enjoy fresh, clean, and safe food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.